Install a Bolt battery. It's not just a battery. There's fittings, there's components that come with it that the other brands don't have, and it really makes it a complete install. So my name's Paul Streeman. I'm the general manager at Etto Leisure Cars in Charleston, South Carolina.
Bolt Energy highly recommends having a trained golf car or battery technician perform all battery maintenance on your vehicle. Bolt also highly recommends using personal protective equipment during the battery installation. In addition to this tool list, you may also need small gauge wiring supplies.
This right here is the parts for your J bolts. So we're gonna have that first bracket sitting in there. There's gonna be a second bracket that comes on top with a J bolt through it. We're gonna hook it under that, tighten it down, and then we'll be able to put the battery on top and put bolts in each corner. For the DC converter, I believe we're gonna put, from what I'm looking at, in this corner, and then we're gonna put the charger right there. So you see what I'm saying, where we can hook both brackets, possibly. This is not 100%, but this is a option we might explore, because the more secure it is, the better it's going to be. And you get that bolt. All right. We'll have her like this. And when we go through, we're going to have to worm it in there and get it hooked onto the little bracket that's down there. So I think this is how I would do it. And when you lift up, it's on there. Do you mind grabbing a 17? Keep going. We're not going to mount it just yet. We'll line it up with whatever holes we want to, and we get the bolts through. Should be able to reach in here, get that nut on there, and then possibly fit a wrench to get it tightened. But these holes look threaded in this bracket, so we should just be able to put some bolts in there. I really do like this bracket. This bracket does help a lot, and that was super freaking easy to put in. But these are super nice. That bracket just makes it so much easier to bolt it down. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I believe we're going to get that DC converter charge in here. I believe that's what the universal bracket is for. We're going to get the actual charger in here. We're going to use self-tappers to get that charger in here to just keep it secure. And then we're going to run these connections to the battery, get it all hooked up, make sure that she works, make sure that she runs, that she does what she's supposed to do. That's your guy right there. That's your guy. Maybe you want to do it like this. Oh yeah, it's going like this. This is exactly where it's going. I'm gonna do that because that fits in there nicely, and it's out of the way. You got your charger cord on this side, and you got everything you need for your battery on this side. I'm gonna tuck that behind there for now because we're gonna put that DC converter somewhere in here. Pop that plug out, and then literally just lift the cup holder up and it'll pop out just like that. There we go. I didn't mean to be that aggressive, but hey, we're going with it.
Basically what this is just
Because we loosened it.
See those screws?
Yeah, I can get those easy
Well,
peasy.
that's up. We can. Almost like it's supposed to go there. These go. The white one in the this is the wire that plugs into the gauge.
Okay.
The yeah, the state of charge meter.
And where are you running it? You're just running it under there?
We're just running it up into here, so there's a floorboard that goes over top of this. So that will, once we get all this patched up, we'll put the floorboard up.
Probably gonna
down.
need these to.
The office.
Yeah, this is just the dashboard. I'm just putting the accessories onto this different dashboard because that other dashboard, which is right here, has this battery meter in the way. We're trying to replace it with the, the nicer one. Otherwise, we'd have to drill this somewhere over here or just somewhere we don't like. But this is the guy.
Your Bolt Energy USA battery will ship at 50% capacity or less, so it is highly recommended to run a complete charge cycle before using the battery. Simply plug in your Bolt Energy charging extension cord. The onboard charger will activate, run a complete charge cycle, and shut off when finished.
Bolt Energy USA.